Lean production aims to improve efficiency by reducing all forms of waste. It is an approach developed by Toyota, the Japanese car manufacturer. Its aim is to use fewer resources in production. Lean producers use less of everything. This includes stock, suppliers, time, materials, and factory space. Lean production is a manufacturing approach that focuses on eliminating waste and continuously improving efficiency and quality, while respecting and involving employees at every stage. Lean production aims to cut costs by making the business more efficient and responsive to market needs. Remember to like the video and subscribe so you're notified when more videos like this are released. Lean production often involves team-based work structures where employees collaborate across different functions or departments. This collaboration fosters communication, knowledge sharing, and collective problem solving. Lean production involves using a range of practices designed to reduce waste and improve productivity and quality. Examples include just-in-time, Kaizen, and cell production. Just-in-time involves minimizing stock and production time by receiving goods only as they are needed for the production process. One of the ways that this links to lean production is that it minimizes the use of factory space and there is less chance of the materials going to waste, as they are only ordered when required. Kaizen is a Japanese term that means continuous improvement, which is focused on making small incremental changes and improvement in processes, product or services over time. Improving the production process, continuously improving, would mean that employees are very much involved in the production process and could spot defects easily or ways of improving, which would eliminate waste. Cell production. This is where the manufacturing process is organized into small teams of employees. They work as self-contained units called cells, where each cell is designed to handle a specific subset of tasks or processes required to produce a part or a product. With a focus on smaller, more manageable work areas, cell production enables better monitoring and control of quality. This helps in reducing defects and the waste associated with reworking or scrapping materials. As a result, lean production can increase efficiency, reduce the number of defective products, take up less space used to hold stock levels, which would reduce fixed costs, and reduce costs and lead times. Let's take a look at some business examples. Nike. They work closely with their suppliers, employing lean principles in its supply chain management to ensure timely and efficient delivery of materials while maintaining quality standards. Mercedes. They seek to eliminate various types of waste, such as overproduction, waiting time, unnecessary transport, overprocessing, excess inventory, defects, and underutilization of employee skills. Toyota. The work cells in Toyota's system have a strong emphasis on quality control. Each cell is responsible for monitoring and maintaining quality standards, with workers empowered to stop production if quality issues arise. The process of lean production is integral for Toyota because they are able to produce cars quicker and more efficiently using continuous flow and just in time. There are, however, difficulties in adopting lean production. It can leave a business vulnerable because there is no inventory if there is ever a disruption in the production process, such as employees going on strike. The business is also vulnerable to unpredictable events such as a flood or earthquake. It could disrupt production if the business does not have the inventory, the stock required. Other difficulties are that lean production relies heavily on efficient and reliable supply chains. Any issues or disruptions in supply relationships can affect the overall efficiency of lean processes, and employees are expected to take on a more active role within the business, working in teams and making continuous improvements. This means that employees need to be engaged and motivated in order for them to discover any mistakes and not repeat them. Some employees may be resistant to change and may not want to be trained or to take on that additional responsibility. On the other hand, businesses can benefit considerably from employing lean production. There are reduced costs as businesses are eliminating waste, managing their stock using just in time, and working to make continuous improvements. Increased productivity as employees are working closely together to decide efficient ways to produce goods. There is an improvement in quality as customers are more satisfied with products that are of a good quality. And employees are often motivated as they are taking part in decisions within their workplace, which gives them a sense of empowerment. Thank you for watching this video. The next two videos that will appear on the screen are what YouTube thinks you should watch next.